Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to archive a Google Classroom. Okay, now what mistake most people do is they come here within the Google Classroom itself. They try to click on these three dots, come click on settings right here for the class, and try to archive it this way. That's not possible. Okay, first you need to actually be a teacher who created a class, and come here, click on home. Okay, and then when you see the different classes you have, all you need to do is come here, click on these three dots, and then click on archive. Let me show you from the perspective of a student. So this is me as a student. If I come here, I don't have that option. Okay, only if you're a teacher. So click on these three dots, and then just go ahead and click on archive right here. So if I click on archive, there you go. It's bringing this up. Okay, and the selected classes will be archived. So only this one, and then I'll click on next. All right, so you can go ahead and read this. Now we'll come here, click on archive. It's archive right here. So I can come here on archive classes and see it right here. And if you ever want to archive it, just come and click on restore. Really that easy and simple.